Now children, let us see exercise 6.4 second bit. Write 3 terms of the GP when the first term A and the common ratio R are given. Now let us see the first one. A is equal to 4, R is equal to 3. So as we already know, the general form of GP, what is AR square up to so on. But here we are asking only 3 terms. So already we have the first term A is equal to 4. Then the second term A1 is equal to 4. Then the second term A2 is equal to simply we have to multiply common ratio to this previous term, that is A into R. That is 4 into 3. A value 4, R value 3. 4 into 3, 12. And next A3. A3 means simply you have to multiply A2 into R. That is A2 means here AR into R. Simply we can write it as AR square. So here A value is 4, R value is 3. So the answer is 4 into 9, simply 36. So these are the first 3 terms. Okay. So what are the 4, 12, 36. Okay. And the next second one 1 by 3. So A is equal to root 5. R is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now let us see. Already first term we have A1 is equal to A is equal to root 5. Then the second term A2 is equal to multiply R, common ratio R, to this previous term A, that is A into R. So simply we can get root 5 into 1 by 5. Okay. Now simply we got root 5 by 5. So this 5 can be that root 5 can be rationalized. So that's why simply multiply with root 5 and dividing by root 5. So rationalizing root 5 here. Okay. So root 5 into root 5 we get simply root 5 whole square. Then next divided by 5 with 5. Then we can cancel square root and square. 5 by 5 root 5. 5 gets cancelled. Then we get simply 1 by root 5. Okay. Now the next one, third sum. A is equal to 81 and and our common ratio is minus 1 by 3. So here we have already first term a1, then a1 is equal to a is equal to 81, then second term a2, simply we have to multiply common ratio r to this previous term a, that is a into r. Simply we can write it as 81 into minus 1 by 3. Okay, by cancellation we get 3 1 the 327, that is simply we get minus 27. Okay, and then a3, simply you can write it as a into r. A2 means simply ar into r, that is ar square. Then here a value 81 and r value minus 1 by 3. We have r square, so minus 1 by 3 whole square. Then 81 into minus 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So 9 1s are 9 9s are. So we got 9. Then the terms are 81 minus 27 and 9. Okay, so these are the first three terms of this GP. Okay, now let us see the third bit. Which of the following are GP if they are in GP? Right. Next, 3 terms. First sum 4, 8, 16 up to so on. So children, here we have to verify this 4, 8, 16 up to so on list if GP or not. Okay. So for this we need common ratio. So what is the common ratio formula? Simply you have to take the ratio of the successive terms, that is a2 by a1. So here simply we get a2 is 8, a1 is 4, that is 4 1 the 4 2 the we get 2. Okay, and then next divide a3 and a2. So it is 16 by 8. So 8 1 the 8 2 is 2. So definitely the given progression is a GP. Why? Because here ratio is common. So that's why the given list is a GP. So the given terms are in GP. Given terms are in GP. Now let us see the next one. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 up to so on. So find the common ratio again. R is equal to a2 by a1. Simply we can write it as minus 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. Then we get minus 1 by 6 into this 1 by 3 becomes here reciprocal 3 by 1. So 3 1s are 3 2s are, we get simply minus 1 by 2. Okay, and next find the ratio of a3 and a2, that is a3 by a2. a3 1 by 12, a2 minus 1 by 6. Okay, now this can be written as 1 by 12 into this becomes reciprocal 6 by minus 1. So 6 1s are 6 2, 6 2s are, so 1 into 1 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So here also we got same minus 1 by 2. So that's why we can write it as a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2. Therefore it is a GP. Next 555 up to so on. Here also check First you find a2 by a1, that is simply 55 by 5. By cancellation we get simply 11. Next, a3 by a2, 555 by 55. By table 5 11s are a triple 1s are triple 1 by 11. So we are not getting the same ratio. That's why a2 by a1 is not equal to a3 by a2. That's why the given terms are not in the GP. Okay. So given, or we can say simply series also, given series not in GP. Okay. And then next, -2, -6, -18 up to so on. So here also find our value, that is a2 by a1. Simply we can write it as -6 by -2. So here minus gets cancelled, 2 on the 2 3s are, so we got 3. And in similar way a3 by a2, so -18 by -6, minus cancel, at 1 6 1 the 6 3s are 3. So we got here our value same, so common ratio a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2. So hence it is a, so given terms are in APR, given series is a GP. Okay. And next, let us see 8th one. Remaining you can do easily 1 by root 2 -2 4 root 2 up to so on. Okay. Now here also find a2 by a1, that is simply -2 by 1 by root 2, then -2 into root 2 by 1, simply we can write it as -2 root 2. And then a3 by a2, that is 4 root 2 by -2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So since we get 2 root 2 by -1, that is here also we got -2 root 2. And hence we got a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2. Hence the given series is GP. Okay. So like this we can do easily other sums also. Try yourself. And then fourth one, very important for 2 marks. You find x so that x plus 2, x plus 6 are consecutive terms of GP. Okay. Now here the given terms x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 6 are in GP. Already they are given GP. So to get this x value, we need that common ratio relation. That is, as we know, whenever the terms are in GP, then the common ratio are equal. That is, a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2. Okay. Now a2 is here x plus 2, a1 x is equal to a3 x plus 6, a2 x plus 2. So on cross multiplication we get simply x plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to x into x plus 6, and then multiply this x plus 2 into x plus 2, we get simply x plus 2 whole square. On right side x into x square plus x into 6 6x. Okay. Then expand this by using a plus b whole square formula. What is the formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now here we can apply in a place x, b plus 2x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2 is equal to x square plus 6x. that is x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to x square plus 6x. So transfer this right side terms to left side, we get x square plus 4 plus 4x minus x square minus 6x is equal to 0. So here we can get cancel x squares, and then the remaining ones 4x minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then we get minus 2x is equal, take this 4 to that side, minus 4. Then x is equal to minus 4 by minus 2. So minus minus gets cancelled, 2 1 that 2 2 0. Simply here x value is 2. Okay, so like this we can do the sum 6.